走路，我把这两个理。The whole song. 再来一个。总的，我觉得你说这个，like，
再来看吧，好吃鲜的。
经常卖这些东西很多。低腰的这个性能舒适续航，我这个7座的。
加一个这个加设计。
哇哦！爱心大厦。那不是
爱的好。
Cut it out! It's harder than it looks. pretty good, but the service was bad because the waiters were like sleepwalking or something. What do you think?
Just hide it. Cat style. Oh. It's like cat style. Like in car building and
I asked to try on one of the dresses on the mannequin, and they looked at me like I was an alien because apparently they just saw the fabrics and like the clothes are just to show what they might look like. That's okay because there are plenty of stores that do sell clothes like over there, so I'll go take a look and see what I can try on. Update, still no. Looks like the clothes they have, even if the whole store is just clothes, it's still for display examples. They just sell the fabrics. So that's too bad. I got a jasmine iced tea. It seems like people come here if they're business owners and they just buy the fabric in bulk to make clothing and other things. This place is huge. I don't know how you could even choose out of everything. I don't think it matters whether the light is green or red. They've done to you. I'm now alone for the first time, navigating somewhere very special. Oh my god! It's now 11:12 p.m. The secret mission was that I got my nails done. Good morning. On my way now to get some breakfast from whatever random. I'm looking for breakfast from any random small vendor because those are always busting. Okay, we got it. Took me quite a while to find a store actually. All of this was 21. We got chai dan, youqiao, shengruo bao, cha shao bao, these sesame ball things, I don't know what they're called. Lanyard. Oh, hi. Eating a Kinder Joy.
Eating what?
A Kinder Joy.
Oh.
Today is a very special day. I've been looking forward to today since before I came here because I've been recommended by Eileen, shout out, to go to the Xuele Fragrance Museum, which is right behind me. From what I've seen online, there's like super cool interactive exhibits where you like smell the different notes and like it keeps track of what you like. And there's also like history about fragrance and tons of stuff. So these cards, we tap them at these stations and then smell them, and then we can rate them. And then at the end, it keeps track of what notes and scents we like, and it kind of shows our scent profile. This one is frankincense. That's okay for me. I don't know if you can see what that says, but I really like this one. It says Kifi. I'm not sure, but I really like it. What? Look how many there are over here.
Yeah, like in cooking, I use this a lot.
I think like when this rolls around, it releases the fragrance. Smell this, and then you draw what colors you kind of think it is, and then you see how it compares. Oh, that's mine. Like a sheet. Purple? This section, scent and memory, is so interesting. It's on this side is a bunch of things like dream, new life, knowledge, wealth. This one I like wealth, and like these abstract concepts. And then on the inside there's like different types of lands, exotic lands, cosmic cities, historic cities, fashion metropolises, cities of temptation. Really interesting. I don't know how they assign a scent to it, but it somehow all makes sense. Sunset Forest Edge. Oh, really? This is the lower floor where you can DIY your own diffusers with scents you like. There's so many. Today we're going on a little shopping trip for myself. pretty good, but I've yet to taste the top part.
Buckets.
What are you talking about?
The buckets being so good, like, you know.